Hey everyone, so FlowMotion. I backed this thing back in 2017 and I thought it would never arrive. And here I am in 2018, it's here. So what is FlowMotion? It's a gimbal, basically. So a handheld gimbal for your smartphone. When I ordered this, it appeared to be one of the cheaper ones, but now that it's finally arrived, DJI have basically blown it out of the water with their new gimbal. It should be much cheaper than this thing, but it was finally here. I backed it, a year ago. Let's get this thing open and see what's inside. So here we go. Let's unbox this thing. It's been taped all around, everywhere. So it actually came from Hong Kong, so they must have a distribution warehouse somewhere in Hong Kong, as most things, most companies do, and most things do come from Hong Kong anyway. So let's get this thing open. Alright, I may have opened the bottom of the box. Okay. A box inside a box, of course. Alright, I'm glad to see that it's bubble wrapped, which is nice, because the outside box did look a bit damaged. Hopefully this thing is okay. Alright, so bubble wrap. It's nicely wrapped, which is good. Let's pull this off. Alright, here we go. More plastic inside. So it's wrapped in this clear plastic again. It's good. Good to see that it's well protected. Okay. Take this off. The packaging looks pretty damn good, if I say so myself. So black box here. There's the image of the gimbal, a phone attached to it. It says FlowMotion, smartphone stabilizer. And yep, same thing on this side, FlowMotion smartphone stabilizer. The box is really nice. It feels like a quality product. So it says, make better videos, capture professional shake-free videos on the go. It'll be interesting to see how this compares to my Pixel 2's electronic image stabilizer. So we'll see how this fares. So yeah, so it says up to this size, which is nice. They give you a nice cutout here to tell you the maximum phone size that it will fit. It's got a nice red ribbon cable, or ribbon here. I'll cut this off so we can open it. Okay. Alright, here it comes. It's got a nice, very nice looking padded case. Underneath it has some warnings. Caution, do not touch threads. Okay, so caution, keep fingers away from threads. Looks like the threads are actually sharp, so I guess caution. And underneath there is a booklet. This booklet, making better videos. Okay, so like a guide on how to use it. So I'll have to read through this a bit later. There's also a smartphone app. And then, yeah, how to mount to a tripod. Alright, we'll look through this later. Okay, so let's get to the main business here. So this is a padded case. It feels really nice. Almost like a Nintendo Switch case. It's a bit bigger than that though. So let's unzip this. Okay, and there it is. FlowMotion. Nice. After so long, it's finally here. So let's get this thing out. Now I don't know how to use it. So I've never used it. I don't know how to use it. It feels quite weighty. Top heavy. The battery is here, obviously. It feels quite top heavy, so feels like it's wants to drop this way. So I'll have to figure out how to use this and play with this a bit more. Put this down for now. See what else is here. There is a cable, a Type-C cable. Nice to see. USB Type-C. Cool. And there was something else down here. What is this? This is a tripod mount. Okay, so this is the thing it says. It says sharp edges will cut, keep fingers clear, which is interesting. I'm not sure why they made it so sharp. They put warnings all over it. Put this down, don't want to cut my fingers. And what is over here? Nothing else in here, that's it. So this is some foam padding, some hard sort of plasticky thing here. And that's basically it. So let's take another look at this thing while I have it open. So you have a power button, you have a record button, don't know what that is, white button, and then this joystick thing. So it looks like you might be able to pan using this joystick. So on the back, another warning thing. So I guess if you unscrew this, there's the threads underneath and it's quite sharp. So I'm guessing you can unscrew the handle. Yes you can. And then underneath is those sharp threads. And I think you can connect that to a tripod. So I don't have a tripod, so I guess I won't be using that. Anyway, that's it for the unboxing. Thanks for watching, guys.